radio station WXL 96 broadcasting on 162.475 MHz near Salem, Oregon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The current time is 8:13 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This transmitter is operating under a limited product suite due to hazardous weather potentially impacting the area. Routine programming will resume once the weather threat passes. The following winter weather statement is for the following area: in Oregon, northern Oregon Cascade foothills, and in Washington, South Washington Cascade foothills. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Wednesday above 1,500 feet. What? Heavy snow expected above 1,500 feet. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 24 inches, heaviest above 2,000 feet. Where? In Oregon, northern Oregon Cascade foothills. In Washington, South Washington Cascade foothills. When? From 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Wednesday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details: after a mild and breezy Monday evening, snow levels will plummet behind a strong cold front Tuesday morning, lowering to 1,500 to 2,000 feet by midday. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the latest road conditions, call 511 or visit for Oregon, https://www.tripcheck.com, and for Washington, https://wsdot.com/travel/real-time/map. The following winter weather statement is for the following area: in Oregon, northern Oregon Cascades, and in Washington, South Washington Cascades. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday above 3,000 feet. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Wednesday above 1,500 feet. Blizzard warning in effect from 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Wednesday above 3,000 feet. What? Snow expected Monday. Heavy snow, strong winds, and near zero visibility expected Tuesday through Wednesday, especially above 3,000 feet. Snow accumulations Monday will range from 4 to 8 inches, mainly above 3,000 feet in elevation. Snow accumulations Tuesday through Wednesday on the order of 1 to 4 feet, heaviest above 3,000 feet in elevation. Southwest to west winds may gust as high as 55 miles per hour at pass level, and as high as 75 miles per hour for the higher ski resort elevations. Where? In Oregon, northern Oregon Cascades. In Washington, South Washington Cascades. When? Winter weather advisory from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday. Winter storm warning from 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Wednesday. Blizzard warning 3,000 plus from 4 a.m. Tuesday to 4 p.m. Wednesday. Impacts: the combination of heavy snow and strong winds will occasionally result in whiteout conditions Tuesday through Wednesday. Poor visibility and rapid snow accumulation of up to 2 inches per hour will result in dangerous conditions for even the most experienced of drivers Tuesday night, and into Wednesday. Strong winds and heavy snow may bring down tree limbs, leading to power outages. Increasingly cold and windy conditions will make the outdoors hazardous for the unprepared. Additional details: after a period where snow levels are well above the Cascade passes Monday night, snow levels will plummet to around 1,500 to 2,000 feet by midday Tuesday. Snow-covered roads will make travel difficult Monday. Travel Tuesday through early Wednesday should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, make sure your cell phone is charged, make sure someone knows where you're going, and be sure to have a winter survival kit with you. To learn what should be in a winter survival kit, visit www.ready.gov/car. If you and your vehicle become stranded, call for help and stay with your vehicle. For the latest road conditions, call 511 or visit for Oregon, https://www.tripcheck.com, and for Washington, https://wsdot.com/travel/real-time/map. In Oregon, central Willamette Valley and greater Portland metro area, and in Washington, greater Vancouver area, wind advisory in effect from 4 p.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Tuesday. What? Southwest winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? In Oregon, greater Portland metro area and central Willamette Valley. In Washington, greater Vancouver area. When? From 4 p.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. Wind gusts are expected to peak Monday night into early Tuesday morning with the arrival of a cold frontal boundary. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Hourly weather observations at 8 p.m. Astoria, it was cloudy.